Hey guys, how you doing? This is former Liberty Graphic Designs, and today's video is gonna be a little bit sad, so don't go anywhere. Okay, so today is Monday. I don't even know what day it is. Monday the 11th. So Monday the 11th, and got a bit of sad news. We're getting rid of this machine, the embroidery machine. So we're no longer going to be offering embroidery at Liberty Graphic Designs, which is kind of sad. We're getting rid of the embroidery and we're getting rid of the screen printing, and we're going to try to get in and get into the DTF. But that's not going to be till like about 6 months from today, hopefully sooner. But yeah, the people that are going to be buying this, they said they were going to be here like around 12. It's like besides 11:15 right now. So we're going to be doing our last job. Our last embroidery is going to be just one shirt. This is for a friend of mine. I've actually had this shirt for like 2 years. So we're gonna be embroidering this as the last job that we're gonna be embroidering here at Liberty Graphic Design. So come with me, come. So what I'm gonna be embroidering is gonna be it's just a little set of flowers right there. It's the only thing I'm gonna be doing. So just trace the job. It looks like it's gonna fit. Everything is good to go. Let's see what it does. the shirt is done. That's the good news. The shirt is done. The machine is gone. So they came and picked it up. It's kind of sad. The machine is gone, so we will no longer be doing embroidery. It's just temporary. As soon as I get the, what do you call it, the DTF, then we'll try to arrange everything back up to where we can get another embroidery machine. But for now, we don't have any more embroidery stuff. They forgot a hoop. They left one hoop behind. But here's a shirt, the one that we did as a last job. That's the back, and then the front right there. I wanted to do both sides, like this side too, but I didn't have enough time because we took everything down, and now the machine has a new owner. It's a little sad, but it's okay. We'll get another one. That's just the way the business works. But yeah, this is it for this video, guys. Let me put this back on the hanger. And my friend is finally gonna get her shirt. I've been having this shirt for like 2 years. She probably already forgot about it. It's okay. But yeah, this is it for this video, guys. Let me know what you think about us not doing any more embroidery. Again, it's gonna be temporary. But let me know in the comments below. It's kind of sad that we don't have a embroidery machine anymore. But anyways, let me know in the comments below. And let me know if you liked the video. Give it a thumbs up or a thumbs down. I don't even know what to say. It's sad. Thank you for watching, guys. It was a pleasure, like always, making these videos. Don't worry, there will be more videos. But yeah, I will catch you on the next one, guys. Thank you for watching. Pleasure, like always. I'll see you later. God bless you. Good night. Good morning. Good afternoon. Whatever it is where you're watching me. I'll catch you on the next one. Bye-bye. Adios. God bless you. Have a great one. Bye-bye.